All right, so me and my daughter were walking through Cabela's because we both actually enjoy doing that, and it is awesome. My favorite section to walk through is obviously the archery section. So walking through there, I like looking at things that I just like looking at things in general. Doesn't matter. But I was walking through the Broadhead section and had found these. I've never seen this brand before, Rocky Mountain. And I was kind of curious to see about this. So I bought them. I needed arrows anyway, so I bought some arrows too. But I bought these. I've never seen this brand before. And these are some wicked looking hybrids. It is Switchblade Expandable Broadhead. It is a 100 grain 4 blade. It says field point accuracy and dependable retention system. Large cutting diameter with bone crushing leading blade for maximum penetration. Aircraft grade aluminum ferrule. Easy to sharpen stainless steel blades. A 7/8 inch cut on contact tip. So this little, it's a hybrid. So basically you've got a fixed blade and a mechanical in one. And the fixed blade part is the 7/8 inch cut on contact blade. Now on the other side of it, the expandable part goes up to 2 inches, which is pretty crazy. Now, since I've never heard of this brand before, I did a little bit of research on Rocky Mountain and found out that they are owned by a larger company called FeraDyne Outdoors. Now I started doing a little bit of research on them because I wanted to see everything they had to offer. Because if they're offering this that I've never seen before, and it wasn't on their website either, or Cabela's website. I didn't see these on Cabela's website. So walking through and seeing them, I was kind of surprised. But FeraDyne, they are basically an archery and hunting products company. And it says they are the manufacturer of Rage, Muzzy, Carbon Express, Nocturnal, True Fire, Block targets, Glendale targets, Shooter 3D targets, Black Hole targets, Hurricane bag targets, IQ bow sights, Sherlock archery products, S4 gear, Rocky Mountain archery products, Gorilla Gear, Eastman Outdoors, Apple Archery, and Express bow presses. That is impressive. That's very impressive that they do all of that stuff. Those are very good quality and well-known brands. So I was very interested after reading all that to really see what these can do. And I'm going to try and do this one a little different and step up my broadhead testing game. Been watching a lot of other YouTubers doing it and have been thinking maybe of making my own little things, but I just really like shooting the milk jugs. It is a lot of fun and it's good practice, keeps your groups tight unless you shoot bricks like I do. But I really want to put one of these through a milk jug and see what it does, and then maybe put it into my hog target in the backyard a couple times to see how it holds up and see how sharp it stays. But first, we need to open it. Alright, I just cut the sides and the top off. Did that off camera just because y'all probably don't want to see that. So, anyways. Alright, it says these are wicked sharp. I'm going to take their word on it because I don't want to get cut. There we go. Alright.
So there is a rubber band right there that holds it all together. Gently take that off. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's... Ooh, yeah. It seems heavy for having an aluminum ferrule, but it does have stainless steel blades, which kind of helps, I guess. I don't know. But it's pretty awesome. Do a fingernail. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. That's even sharper. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. Definitely going to be careful putting this rubber band back on. Alright. Now that we've seen it, let's get the bow, shoot it into a milk jug. Alright. GoPro's recording. Dig that. Oh, yes. Back up, back up. Golly. That's the entrance. Just pouring out. Ooh, look at that, not too far away from the other turkey. That gobbler getter I shot before, but look at this. Cut. Cut. God bless. Go all the way through. Nope. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out, and oh, look at this. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, that is awesome. No way. That's the retention band that was holding the blades together. So let me pull this out, and we'll get a good overview. Perfect. Okay. So this is everything that I used for the shoot, and this is after the shot. And the broadhead still looks amazing. Intact. Shot it into the target. Still fairly sharp. You know what I just noticed about this? Lower on that fixed blade, this is all sharpened too down here. So even if it does start to pull out, it's going to cut. Closes up just fine. Nothing looks twisted or bent. That's a bad mamma jamma. God. Now look at this. The rubber band slid all the way back to here. Didn't break like most do. I even brought an extra one from my Cabela's Laser Strike 2 broadheads.
but let's see if it goes back on. Right there. There you go. Didn't ruin it. Still have that retention band. Everything is good. Still sharp. Not as sharp. Just kind of disappointing, but still. Alright. So, this is my Cabela's brand Fortitude, which is basically made by Bowtech. I've kind of done somewhat of a review on this. I love this bow. I think this is going to be my bow for the next couple years, unless I fall into about $1,000 and then I'll buy a Fortitude, or not a Fortitude, a Vertex. But this, I love this. I've done a lot of different upgrades to it. I put on my Q80 Ultra Rest, my Trophy Ridge 5-pin Pro, and then I even put on this little roller cable guide, and I love it. It shoots great, shoots fast, which is awesome. And then the release, this is my Blackout. It is just a 2 caliper release. It was $50. I just wanted this type of release at the time I bought this. It was a couple years old, but fantastic release. Gold tip Hunter arrow, Hunter XT. 340 spine, fantastic. And my GoPro 3, and that's it. That's all I use for this, and my phone. But hey, no joke, this Rocky Mountain Switchblade 100 grain broadhead is a beast. This is the entrance hole. Where is it? If I can find it. Right here. Absolutely insane. And then the exit, that 2-inch plus that 7/8, that's gonna bleed something quick. Flew pretty straight. I don't feel like I pulled it. So I think it flew just a little off. I was aiming dead center right here. Well, I guess right here. At 20 yards. And like I said, I don't feel like I pulled, but I don't know. You never know. I could have, or it could just be this. I'm not going to go out and start shooting that a bunch of times and ruining it. But you can't beat this. This is pretty awesome. So if you like hybrids or mechanicals, I would definitely give these a shot and try them out. They were $25 for a 3-pack, and it's just the 3 broadheads. There's nothing extra that comes with them. There's no practice tip. There's no extra bands. So you get the 3 broadheads, and that is it. $25. Can't beat it. Held up. And that's basically it. Held up and did good. Not as sharp as I would hope, but I did just shoot it through that and into my target. Pretty straight. Flew good. Just a great broadhead. So again, FeraDyne is the manufacturer of this, and I'll link their website and their YouTube channel in the description below, as well as I'll try and find them on Cabela's.com, and then I'll link that below as well. But if not, it'll just be the FeraDyne website, and then also the FeraDyne YouTube channel. But fantastic! I can't wait to actually take something with these. It's pretty awesome. I think I might use it for deer this year. I think that I might save that for a deer. So, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more broadhead reviews. Thank you very much.